Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Trish Kitchen and I am Trisha. First of all, if you are new in my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Today I am going to show you how to make naan. It's a very easy and quick naan recipe which doesn't require yeast or egg and can be made on the gas stove in a tawa. This instant no yeast naan is very soft and stays soft for a long time, but don't roll it thin like roti, otherwise it will become hard and chewy. You can serve this naan with butter chicken, butter paneer or any of your favorite curry. Now let's see how to make naan. We need 1 cup of all-purpose flour or MAIDA, salt, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, sugar. In a large bowl, mix all the dry ingredients. Add half cup of yogurt. Add 1/4 cup of warm milk. Mix it well and rub between hands to combine everything well. Add water if required and make a smooth dough. Now cover the dough with a damp cloth and keep aside for 2 hours. Make medium-sized balls of the dough. Roll into round circle. Use a little dry flour if the dough is sticky. Sprinkle some onion seeds or KALONJI. Then roll it carefully. You can give any shape. The shape doesn't really matter. Now place the rolled dough over a hot tawa with the side sprinkled on top facing up. After 1 minute, turn it over and cook on other side for another 30 seconds. Once done, remove from tawa. Now apply some butter and garnish it with coriander leaves. Our delicious naan is ready to serve now. Serve it hot with your favorite curry. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.